Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Alright, still making some headway on the Buick here, getting the cables in. Of course, I went into town, picked up a whole bunch of lugs and battery terminals. Spent a bunch of money, and of course I don't have the one I need for the ground that goes on the block. So now I gotta wait for that again, or go into town and pick one up. I've got tranny oil in it, and I was putting oil in it yesterday. Forgot that I didn't tighten the tranny bolts yet, so it started leaking. But it's all good now. I got enough in there to start it, so I think I'm just going to probably end up running a rubber hose for the fuel, because I'm still waiting for that hard line, and I want to get this thing running. So we're just going to button up a few things here, and I think probably this weekend we're going to fire this beast up. So I guess in the meantime, I got the drive shaft in too. Can't really show you that because it's obviously on the ground. So right now I'm just I just buttoned up all the bulbs here, cleaned up all the sockets. Back here for the tail lights, bulbs are all in. Started doing these, took these apart, cleaned all those up, the marker lights here. We got the chrome back, got new chrome here. And so I went to do this light here. This one's broken. It's actually not broken, it's melted from the bulb on the inside. So now I'm just going to put this on temporarily, just to have it on. It'll be easy to change out anyway. But we're going to have to get some of those. And then the marker lights for the front bumper. See? Now I got to get some of these. I bet you these might be a little hard to find that aren't broken, because these, look at rock chips, right? Probably rock hit it. That's what happens. And these here, who knows if this is a problem where they melt all the time. I'm not sure. So I guess we'll find out. So that'll be another couple things to add to the list of stuff that we need still. I got everything for the back bumper now. The license plate stuff came back from chroming and all that, so I can put that together anyways. Get that done. And yeah, so there's always a bunch of little things to do, but that's kind of where I'm at right now. Just trying to get all this little stuff back on the car here. Alright guys, that's about all I want to do for now. I'll probably have something a little bit later to add to this video. Okay, talk to you later. Hey guys, what's up? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Yeah, I'm still working on the Buick, but I'm getting there. It's painful. All these little things. Still waiting for a few things. Owner went to pick up some parts today off of another car there. Some used stuff that we need. But I did get everything, got power to it now. And everything seems to work. Other than the horns, after I cleaned them all up and blasted them and cleaned them. I think they're all rusted inside. They're not working. And then I think the windshield washer motor there not working also. Not properly anyway, so there's probably corrosion inside, because this car sat in a sea can for about, I can't remember what it was, long time, 20 years or whatever it was. There was a lot of corrosion everywhere on this thing. But I know the little switch for the motor too, we need a switch too, so I don't think it's that though, but anyway, so that'll have to be done. Drive shaft is in. There's oil in the diff, oil in the tranny, oil in the motor. We got oil pressure. So we're pretty much ready to fire it, and I'm still waiting for a fuel line, but I think I'm just going to run just a rubber line right now from the pump into a jerry can, and then we can get this thing fired and break it in. And then I know that's good. Hopefully we don't have any problems, and then I can really start putting, button things up, permanently, getting things put in place for the last time. instead of on and off and on and off, and who knows, might have to tweak a couple of the things there, but pretty happy so far. I just got the cables done here too. Had to make a bracket here to hold the cables in place. What you think? I gotta plate that yet, probably tomorrow. Starting to get a little bit late today, but yeah, just so the cables don't move around, because they're a little heavier cables than you know, what you would normally have. These are 2-aught cables, so a little bit big, but you know, the power probably didn't need to be so heavy, but it never hurts to have good ground, that's for sure. I got a good ground strap in the back there. And then I think I'm also going to ground the rad support to the battery too, just in case. Just to make sure we got proper grounding. Right now I just got a little wire here. As you can see here, got a wire here, just kind of scraggled down here to the rad support, just so I can ground out for the lights. But yeah, it's coming along. And then, oh, we got a problem here. The squirrel cage is rubbing inside here because it's not a factory one, so I've got one of those coming to a factory one, because the mice chewed up the original one there, the plastic one that was all chewed up. It's the stupidest, weirdest things happening with this car that I've never seen. And yeah, we got some nice tail lights happening here now. Ooh, look at that, even the license plate light is functional. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, tail lights are all working. Brake lights work, tail lights work, signals work, park lights work. But I got no lights on the cluster right now, so hopefully I don't have a problem with the board in the back of it, because then I got to take all that shit out. But I mean, I guess that would be kind of a minor problem in the grand scheme of things. So that's where we're at now. So I'm glad this is done now. Everything is secure. And so probably maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll have the parts I need, the horn and all the other little things here. And then it looks like I'm going to have to modify open up the holes on the frame rails for the rad support mounts, because we ordered 2 sets and they're still wrong. It doesn't look like we can get the original style ones, and that's probably why the kit don't come with the rad support. I'm kind of wondering about that, but it's one of those things, I guess. But I'll get it done. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to do a little thing of that. Yeah, everything's working. The radio works. Sounds really good too. And yeah, it looks pretty good with everything everything all lit up there. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to throw that in, and share, like, and subscribe. Even if you hate this bloody channel, it sucks. I know. But like and subscribe, eh? It doesn't cost anything. You know, I think people are worried when they subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's just when I post videos, it'll notify you, and then just like you do on Facebook and all that kind of stuff. It just notifies you, and you know, all that kind of thing. That way I can grow my channel. I want to grow my channel. You know, I want to be a multi-millionaire YouTuber, and then I can give up this job. Alright then, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, just a reminder, even if you hate this channel, and it does suck, share, like, and subscribe. Alright then.